It's time for the 2019 Austin Auto Show. See the latest new vehicles from the top brands in a fun, family-friendly atmosphere. Get behind the wheel with ride and drive events featuring Toyota, Mazda, Ford, Jeep, and Ram. Meet Clint Hart from HGTV's Fixer Upper Saturday and Sean Sticks Larkin from A&E's Live PD Sunday. Take your picture with Marvel's Black Panther Saturday and Sunday. See amazing exotic and classic vehicles from a Lamborghini to a 34 Ford. Or hop into the 1970 VW Photo Bus for your very own free photo shoot. Children can enjoy our kids zone and get vertical in our bounce house, get balloon animals, and get their face painted. Adults can relax in our craft beer lounge. See the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Car and Chevy Camaro SS Funny Car. Get advance tickets online at AustinAutoShow.com. The 2019 Austin Auto Show, a fun, affordable day out for the whole family. April 26th through the 28th at the Austin Convention Center.